GLP community. I am jumping on here today to give you an idea of how the people function for Find a Scientist works on the GLP Hub. So you can use the people function to find people who you might want to collaborate with and really drill down into specific areas to find people. So you'll land here on the home page to start when you log in, and then you'll just come up to this tab that says people, and it will direct you to this map. It'll likely pick up on where you're based. So for me, I'm based in the United States, so it starts there. If you're based in Europe, it'll start over here likely, and so forth. So from here, if I know I want to look for a specific person, I can type in that person's name and it will direct me there, and I can go straight to their profile, and I can look at it and see, oh yes, she has everything that I am looking for as far as a potential research collaboration. And then I can also send a message directly within the hub like this. And then if I know perhaps maybe not a specific person, but I want to look up a specific location, I can look up a specific location and it will show all of the people there. So for example, this is the University of Maryland where the GLP IPO office is based. And you can see all the people who are based at the University of Maryland. Now, if I want to get more specific into what people study, I would come up to this filters option over here, and you have your scientific areas filters, which are probably going to be the most useful. So I would, if I want to find someone who works on agroecology, I can see that there's 20 members within GLP, and I can reach out to any of those people over here. So it'll show up on the map, show where they're based, and then it'll show up over here as well. Now, if I want to get even more specific, I can come over here, and if I'm interested in what dynamics people work in, let's say I'm interested in agroecology and peri-urban and urban systems, it drills down even further. Takes a second to load, but now there's 4 people, so I can get even more specific with who and what I'm looking for. So those are some examples of how to use the Find a Scientist tool. There is obviously a number of areas of expertise or specific regions you might be looking for, where you can find potential collaborators. So this is a really helpful tool for you all as members to use.